Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your MasterCard with Triangle. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in mastercard.triangle.com and press enter. This will then take you into the official website for My Triangle MasterCard. Now in order to log into your account, simply click on the sign in button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. Now from the login portal, all you need to do is type in your username and then enter your password. So simply type in both of these credentials and then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your account with Triangle MasterCard. Once you have logged into your account, you can simply select the credit cards option and then use various services associated with your Triangle MasterCard. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your MasterCard account with Triangle. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.